This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying compatibility and network setup. Make sure your Sony TV supports Miracast or has Chromecast built in. This determines the method you use. Next, connect both the TV and your device to the same Wi-Fi network and turn off guest or AP isolation so devices can see each other. Then open the TV settings, go to Network or Device Connection, and enable screen mirroring or the Chromecast receiver. Once done, the TV will wait for a device to initiate the cast. Now you'll initiate the connection from your device. On Android, open Quick Settings and tap Cast or Smart View, then choose your Sony TV. On Windows, press Win+K or use Project to find a wireless display. If you're on iPhone, use AirPlay when the TV advertises it, otherwise install a compatible receiving app. Select the TV name, and when the TV prompts, accept or enter the PIN. Doing this establishes a direct link so your screen, audio, and video stream reliably to the TV. Finish by optimizing the display and knowing how to stop casting. Once mirrored, adjust your device's resolution or scaling so content fills the TV. You can also change the TV's aspect ratio for a perfect fit. To end, stop casting from the phone or PC. If audio or video lags, restart the streaming app first. If you still can't connect, reboot the router, the Sony TV, and your device. Then check for firmware or OS updates. That single reboot often resolves discovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.